Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my new issue ACCA classes. In today's video, we will discuss relevant cost related to the labor one. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be able to solve the question related to the relevant costing of labor. I have solved few questions. I will also put the link of the video where I have solved this question. You can access the video from the link available. I will put it into the description box, or the link of the same will be blinked over your screen. You can access it from there as well. So the relevant cost of the labor. If question asked you, or like they will explain the scene that a certain project will require a certain labor hour, so in that case what we need to check it out the first is whether we are having any spare capacity or the full capacity, right? So if we are running on this like spare capacity, then the relevant cost will be the nil. But in case we are running on the full capacity, then again we need to check it out whether we can hire the more labor or we can't hire the more labor. This is the same as in case of the material, right? So in case we can hire the more labor, so that is we can take an extra staff, or we can pay the overtime to the existing staff. In that case, the relevant cost will be the extra cost that we pay for the labor or that overtime cost, right? But in case we can't hire the more labor, the relevant cost will be the opportunity cost of diverting the labor. That is the contribution per unit that you lose by shifting the labor to those special contract or the project, right? So these are only the things that you need to know in order to solve the question related to the relevant cost of the labor. I hope this video is useful now. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. In case you found it useful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friend. And one more thing, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So thank you so much guys. Have a good day.